To connect different devices, we use one cable. That cable is called as a straight cable. What cable we use? What is the cable we use?
Straight cable.
Straight cable. Now, what is straight cable? In cables, as the example, now I want to connect the computers in the network. Now this is system A, this is system B, this is system C, this is system D. Now in this, I got a switch. Now you know what I mean by switch, and I connected all the cables like this. So this series of cable, that how you present it, that cable as what you say UTP, or unshielded twisted pair or shielded twisted pair, straight cable, which we say. What is this straight cable? A straight cable, okay, is a series which we do, okay, to establish a connection between different devices. Where we use this? In a for a different, okay, devices. When I say different devices, what are the different devices? A computer, okay, to a switch is a different device. Switch is a different, system is a different. A computer, okay, to a computer to what we say about a modem example. You get internet modems, right? It is a different device. A computer to you see about your wireless networks, wireless, what is it? An router, small routers, right? For that, you use a cable. That cable is called what cable? Straight cable. Understood about this? Now this cable,
Yes, sir.
which is there, inside this you have wires, right? That wires will be into one format. I'm just putting that color code over here. That sequence will be like that. How that sequence will be like that? So now I'm writing, what is it? A straight cable. This will be your interview question. What is a series? Okay, how you connect straight cable? Then they are. Then you have to say this color code. How do you say? White of orange. White of orange means white and orange. It will be in the both the color. White of orange and orange. White of green. Okay, you'll have blue. You say white of blue or white blue. Okay, then you have a connection called green. Then you have white brown. And finally you say about what is it? Brown. Now this is a cable, okay, which we use. Now if this is a cable, this end and this color code will be there. Okay, that means this is wire 1, wire 2, wire 3, wire 4, wire 5, wire 6, wire 7, wire 8. 8 wires are there. From where you have to see? You have to see from the left side. In the left side, the first cable you put, what is it? White of orange. And second, what you'll put? White of green. Third, what you'll put? What is it? White of, okay, green. You'll arrange in this way. Now let's see in the picture, just now I was showing, right? What is it? I think I have in a PPT. Right. Can you see here? White, green. This is not. Let me take you in the Google. Straight cable, color coding. Can you see this? This is a jack. See the series? White of orange, orange. White of green, blue. White, blue. Green. White of orange. Sorry, white of brown, brown. So this is the standard. What is the standard here? It is mentioned T568B. This is called as a, what cable? This is called as a straight cable. Where you connect this color code for a different devices. What is the different devices I said you? Okay, from system to switch. That means this is a switch and this is a, so this is a computer and this is a switch. In between this, a cable. What is that cable you are connecting here? Students, what is that cable you are connecting?
Straight cable, sir.
Straight cable, right? And one more color code which you will be getting, that color code which you'll be getting is called as a crossover cable. What is that cable called as? Crossover cable. Now, what is this crossover cable? Crossover cable is a series, okay, a color code which will establish a connection between similar devices. Similar devices. Now, what is this similar devices? I have my switch and I have my switch. That means for this systems, 48 PCs are being get connected. For this switch, sorry, 48 PCs are get connected. Now I want to make this both the 48 into single network. Then I use a cable from this to this. Then it will become one network. So here which I use cable, this cable is called as what is it? Crossover
Cross cable.
cable. So inside this the color code will be there. Simply to put you, see there is a color code when you're trying to put you for what is it? You opened this. Let me. Now let's see what is the color code. What is the color code of? Okay, crossover cable. What we say? Cross over. Okay, cable. What will be the color code? White of green. What will be there? White of green. Then it will be, what is it? Green. Then what do you get? White of green, green. Then you get, what is it you'll be getting? White of orange. Then you get, what is it color code? You get about, what is it? Blue. Then what do you get color code? White, white, blue. Then what you'll get finally? Okay, you get orange. After orange, what you'll get? You get white, brown, and finally brown. This is a color code which will be used, okay, in what is it? Crimping. It is called crimping a cable of what I'm saying, crossover cable. If I try to show you in this straight cable, right? జాక్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దీని లోపల ఇలా ఉంటుంది అంతే సింపుల్గా. ఆ సీక్వెన్స్ని అరేంజ్ చేసి మనకి పంపిస్తారు అన్నమాట. సేమ్ లోపల ఉంటుంది కదా, RJ45 జాక్ అన్నాం కదా, దాని లోపల కేబుల్ పోతుంది కదా, ఈ సీక్వెన్స్లో వైర్లు అనేది అరేంజ్ చేసి ఉంటాయి. కెన్ యూ సీ దిస్? దిస్ ఇస్ అ జాక్, రైట్? దీని లోపల కేబుల్ వెళ్తాయి కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ కేబుల్ ఏముండాలి అక్కడ, లాస్ట్లో ఏముండాలి? లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి చూస్తాం ఎప్పుడు, లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్కి రావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి నీకు? వైట్, ఆరెంజ్,
వైట్ ఆరెంజ్, ఆరెంజ్ వైట్ గ్రీన్ బ్లూ.
అదే క్రాస్ ఓవర్ కేబుల్ అనుకో. ఇక్కడ నేను స్ట్రైట్ కేబుల్ ఇస్తున్నాను కదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ నేను ఏమి ఇవ్వాలా? క్రాస్ ఓవర్, ఓకే, కేబుల్. క్రాస్ ఓవర్ కేబుల్ అంటే మనకి ఏముండదు? కెన్ యూ సీ హియర్? వైట్ గ్రీన్, గ్రీన్, వైట్ ఆరెంజ్, బ్లూ, వైట్ బ్లూ, ఆరెంజ్, వైట్ బ్రౌన్, బ్రౌన్. కెన్ యూ సీ దిస్? వైట్ గ్రీన్, గ్రీన్, వైట్ ఆరెంజ్.
Yes, sir.
Done? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
కేబుల్ ఎట్లా ఇన్సర్ట్ అవ్వాలి దాంట్లోకి? ఆ రేంజ్లో ఇన్సర్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను చెప్పింది కూడా అంతే. ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ అన్నమాట. డన్. హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ అబౌట్ దిస్. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్? Now this is a router which you can see, right? What are the